Hi, I'm Jen with TentCraft, and today we're going to take a look at the new counter system. We'll talk about what's inside the bag, and then we'll do a full setup, walking through the whole process. When you open it up, you're going to find 3 of these support legs. One of them will be in the bag loose, and then the other 2 will be inside, locked into the hardware on the underside of your countertops. You'll also find 2 halves of 1 counter. The first step is to remove your support legs from their place in the countertop and to lay out the legs. Next, you'll connect the 2 halves of your countertops. The next step is to connect your support legs with the inner hardware. You'll notice a hole on the underside and a push button on your support leg. You'll just line those up, and you'll know that that's in place when you hear the hole click into place. Your center leg is intended to go in on the side. Now you're ready to flip your counter over and attach it to your tent. You can use the wing nut to loosen up the clamp, and then just get it wrapped around. Tighten it up. Final step is to install your half wall. You'll find the keeter track and run the white rope keeter from your half wall soft good through that track. If there's no other walls on your tent, it's just going to attach to itself with a full strip of Velcro. And that's it. You've just set up your TentCraft countertop.